Hello! Welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn some alphabets. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's draw some alphabets. A. What alphabet is this? B. What alphabet is this? It's C. What alphabet is this? It's D. What alphabet is this? It's E. What alphabet is this? It's F. Now, let's do some coloring. Orange color, green color, purple color, red color, parrot green, sky blue, brown, pink, black, dark blue, indigo, yellow. Let's go! Brown color, purple color, blue color, green color, red color, yellow color, A, B, C, D, E, F. Wow, this looks so beautiful.
Yay!
Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.